Guys, something great has happened. This middle box is actually a Nike box. You guys can see from the tape. But what you guys can't see is that huge Nike swoosh. So maybe they're actually listening, probably not to this channel, just to everybody in the world that hated these like branded boxes. I mean, kind of, because they still have Just Do It tape on it, which again, it's kind of overkill. Just put this standard like brown tape instead and you'll be good to go. Anyway, if you guys want to watch a mail time episode today, that will be coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a mail time episode. Mail time with 3 boxes to open, and I also have a shoe that I picked up locally over here that I kind of wanted to review and show you guys. I'm sure you guys have seen this box many times over by now. This is a Jordan 1 box. What Jordan 1s dropped recently that will make it onto mail time? We do have a pair of the Jordan 1 Turbo Greens, and you guys can see the shoe right here. Very, very underrated shoe in my opinion. Spring 19 Air Jordan 1 OG High over here. Not really a fan that they're doing this branded thing on the shoe over and over now. I don't really like that. Leather isn't the greatest, but I mean overall just a great shoe with some actually pretty dope lace like combinations. So I thought it was a really good pickup. Ended up buying these from a local shoe palace that was selling them, and it was really fortunate because I missed these online. If you guys don't have these yet, I highly recommend you guys pick these up too, because these prices will go up over time, I promise you. And to be honest, I like these a lot better than the Jordan 1 Blue Chills, which are like those patent leather, supposedly women only sneakers. But of course it's not a women's only sneaker, because all the dudes, all the resellers, and all the hype beasts and stuff are obviously snatching up those size 12 women's, because it comes out to like 10.5 men, so on and so forth for their sizes. So I wish there was like a way for sneakers that to like differentiate between male and female accounts, which now that I'm saying it out loud doesn't really make any sense, because I'm sure the people that have bought it accounts will just make a whole bunch of accounts that say female on it. If it's a women's only release, you should assume that it should be picked up for a woman. So that's how I feel about that. And yeah, I was not feeling those shoes in general. These I thought were a lot better looking, because all patent leather, it's just I'm not a big fan. So let's open up some of these boxes now. First box we have here is that Nike box, like I was saying, no Nike logo. That is sick. Air Jordan 1 Mid SE, size 11, and these are a pair of the Jordan 1 Mid Lakers. I mean, they're called Lakers for a reason. You guys see these purple laces, purple Air Jumpman up here, and the rest of the shoe is obviously all yellow. Air Jordan 1 Mids are like that notorious shoe where you ask your mom, oh, I want a Jordan 1. She picks you up a mid and you're just like, oh, that's not what I meant, mom, but thanks anyway. It's one of those kinds of shoes, because I don't know, there's not really hype there. It just doesn't have as great of a look as the Jordan 1 highs, but don't look too bad, to be honest, man. Not sure if I wanted to keep these in the personal yet. I'm not a big Lakers fan. I am actually a Sixers fan right now. I say that because I follow JJ Redick to whatever team he's on. So I've been with Orlando, I've been a Bucks fan, I've been a Clipper, and now I am a Sixer, which is pretty dope. So hopefully we can win the East, because we should. Our team is super stacked, but results aren't there. It's weird. So this one is actually from Shoe Palace, but it's an online Shoe Palace drop. And as you guys can see, this is a LeBron. Let's open it up and see what we got. So you guys can see right here, this is the LeBron 16 in that Watch the Throne colorway. What killed it for me is these laces, but you guys can also see that they come with like these lace locks, which are super over the top, very extravagant. Supposed to go like right over here on top of the shoe to add a little bit more pop, because you know LeBron, current king of this era, is king. So yeah, he needs to have a very extravagant shoe. I caught this on Shoe Palace and I did it manually. I'm not really sure how I got through, because Shoe Palace is a terrible freaking website to buy shoes. I don't know if you guys have ever done that before, but they have like this weird counter on there which like you can't refresh for like every 2 minutes. I don't know how, but I got through that and I ended up picking up these. But it was weird because I didn't get confirmation or anything. I just got a shipping tracking number, and then like later on I noticed on PayPal that there was a transaction fee on there. So whatever, it worked out, because I did want these. Resale dropped a lot on these. I think they're going for like $240-ish on the market now, so that's like $40 over retail. So but it's not about the resale for me. I just really like the LeBron 16 model for some reason. Like, this shoe is dope, and then the colorway is just very nice. Really happy with this one. I can't believe it came through, man. One shoe left. This is the most hype shoe for sure from this unboxing. This one is from GoDap. It's gonna be lit. Watch this. I really like this code verified boxing on the inside. I think that's really dope. Air Foamposite Galaxies, bro. Foamposite Galaxies, and this is in very, very nice condition. Like, look at that. Look at this. This is a used shoe, But can you even tell that it's used though? I can't believe how nice these shoes are, and you won't believe the price of these things. Like, let me look it up for you right now. Actually, I'll pull it up on screen over here. This is what the dead stock price is for these shoes. This number right here on the screen is the Foamposite Galaxy's dead stock price. $1,700 freaking dollars. $1,700, guys. That is insane amounts of money, and obviously I'm not gonna drop 1,700 bucks on a shoe. Like, unless I see it as like a long-term investment and I can sell it, then sure. But as soon as you wear these things, they like decrease in value. So I got this for 385 bucks. That is not a joke. $385. 1,700 compared to 385. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are thinking behind the screen like, well dude, you bought a used shoe, like that's gross. But the thing is, man, I do not care at all if it's used or not. Like, for me, growing up poor, growing up without money, like the thing is that you have a better understanding of what is important, right? Like, you always try to think like from a frugal standpoint, where how can I afford this nice thing but without paying like that huge price tag for it? So buying used, like, it's not a bad thing to do, man. Like, it's actually really smart in my opinion, because as soon as I throw this on my foot, you guys are not going to know if I bought it used or new. Like, you just won't, because that's the thing, I'm wearing it, so it's obviously used at that point. Doesn't matter if I get it fresh from the box or if I get it used secondhand from somebody. As long as it's like not disgusting, you guys can like disinfect it, you guys can clean it, whatever it is. If you can't get past somebody else putting their foot into something, then yeah, that's a little bit difficult. But for the most part, like, I don't care. If it saves me $1,300 by having somebody else put their foot in here once and then I get to use it after, like, sure. When you think of it like in terms of that, that's insane. It's worth it in the long run for me. So that's how I see it. And I'm not telling you guys that like you guys should do it. I'm just saying that it's a good alternative to buying something new. That's what I do, and that's how I got like all of this. Like, most of it are used sneakers, because again, you save thousands of dollars that way. So not telling you guys you have to, but that's what I've been doing, and that's how I scored Galaxy Foamposite. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Pretty good unboxing, man. We got a couple Jordan 1s, we got the Galaxy Foams, we got the LeBrons, a lot of personal collection pieces, which is not good for my bank account, not good for my wallet, but it is what it is. That's what a sneakerhead is, man. You just can't stop collecting. You're always changing your collection. If you guys liked what you guys saw, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.